Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and hearty mutton kadhai. This is a classic Indian dish that's full of bold flavors, tender mutton, and a rich spicy gravy. Perfect for family dinners or special occasions. Let's get started. In a heavy bottom pan or kadhai, heat 3 tablespoons of oil or ghee over medium heat. Add 1 kilogram of mutton along with 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger and salt. Stir the mutton continuously until it changes color and slightly caramelizes. This step enhances the flavor of the dish. Pour in 2 glasses of water. Place half tomato skin side up over the mutton, making it easy to remove the skin later. Cover the pan and let the mutton cook on low heat until it becomes completely tender. Stir occasionally and check for doneness. Once the mutton is tender, remove the tomato skins and mash the softened tomatoes into the gravy. Add 2 tablespoons of onion paste and 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix well. Stir in the following spices: 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 5 green chillies, a handful of chopped coriander leaves, and 1 sliced lemon. Garnish with julienne ginger and an additional squeeze of lemon juice if desired. And there you have it. Our flavorful and aromatic mutton kadhai is ready to serve. The tender mutton, rich spices, and that beautiful layer of oil on top make this dish a true crowd pleaser. Serve it hot with naan, roti, or a bowl of steamed rice and watch it become the highlight of your meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Try it out and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy cooking. Craving something creamy and delicious? Recipe for Malai chicken. A rich and velvety dish that's packed with flavor and perfect for any occasion. With tender chicken cooked in a luscious creamy gravy, this recipe is sure to impress your taste buds. Check out the full recipe in the description below and get ready to whip up this irresistible dish in no time.